What is the ultimate luxury beauty experience? A complete customer journey of Mary Kay beauty products. Who is hosting the ultimate luxury beauty experience? This is only offered by me, independent beauty consultant Kenesha Miller. Why should you listen to me? I've been a skincare, makeup enthusiast, and beauty consultant for over 30 years. What products are available in the ultimate luxury beauty experience? Skincare, makeup, beauty tools, body care, and fragrances. The product have a money-back guarantee? Yes, the product have a 100% satisfaction guarantee. How many products are available in the ultimate luxury beauty experience? There are over 100 products available. Is there a monthly subscription to the ultimate luxury beauty experience? There is no monthly subscription needed. Are there discounts for codes or deals? No discounts or codes needed. Bonuses are earned purely from social engagement. Is there an ultimate luxury beauty experience subscription box available? No subscription box needed, but there will be random beauty drops. You've seen posts for beauty product testers needed. Is that part of the ultimate luxury beauty experience? Yes. Are there any restrictions to the ultimate luxury beauty experience? Individuals must live in the USA, must be 18 years of age or older, and must not already have a personal Mary Kay beauty consultant. Will there be product updates and specials? Yes. Are full-size products available to test or samples only? Full-size products and samples. How do you join the ultimate luxury beauty experience? Become a member of MyMK on my personal website and order your starter kit today. Instructions and links are in the description below. Is the starter kit a one-time purchase? Yes. Plus, it unlocks your lifetime membership to the ultimate luxury beauty experience. What's included in the ultimate luxury beauty experience starter kit? Products to cleanse, tone, moisturize, and protect all skin types. Will full-size products be available after the starter kit runs out? Yes. The starter kit is just the beginning to dial in your personal skincare regimen. Why is there a fee for the ultimate luxury beauty experience starter kit? The fee validates shipping information, weeds out freebie seekers, attracts serious individuals, and allows me to send out beauty drop products immediately. Are there any bonuses included in joining the ultimate luxury beauty experience? Yes, the value of membership is like no other beauty community. There will be social media shoutouts, surprise beauty drops, and live stream events.